Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Groupon deals, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin saving with Groupon deals, start by visiting the Groupon website or downloading the mobile app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Browse through categories that interest you, such as restaurants, activities, and travel. Use the search bar to find specific deals in your area. Take advantage of the filtering options to narrow down your choices by distance, price, and type of deal. Click on a deal that catches your eye for more details. Read the description carefully to understand what the deal includes and any restrictions that may apply. Check the expiration date and any blackout dates for usage. Look for user reviews to gauge the quality of the service or product. Once you find a deal you want, click the Buy button to purchase it. Review your order before completing the transaction to confirm the details are correct. Make your payment using a credit card or any accepted payment method. After purchasing, find your voucher in your account under the My Groupon section. Follow the instructions provided to redeem your deal, whether online or in-store. If required, print the voucher or save it on your mobile device for easy access. Enjoy your discounted experience and remember to save additional offers for future use. Regularly check the Groupon site or app for new deals, as they change frequently. Consider signing up for email alerts to stay informed about the latest promotions and offers. Share your experiences with friends so they can also enjoy great savings. Happy saving with Groupon! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.